It's beginning to look like Christmas. Hey guys, how you all doing? Like it's another recipe, okay? This Christmas. Okay, so to start, I added some oil to my pot, allow it to warm slightly, and I'm transferring all my chicken wings into this pot. You can use chicken thighs, chicken breasts, but I use chicken wings. So we allow this to fry for like 2 minutes and flip the other side for that one to fry as well. So that's exactly what I'm doing in the video, guys. This recipe is super delicious. I added some salt, some thyme, I added some oregano, basil, and you can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. You can choose to use any taste enhancers, but this are my go-to, like all natural spices. So yep. So that's exactly what I'm doing in the video, and I added enough water to make the chicken cook. Okay, so we are going to boil this chicken until it's ready, or for about 8 to 9 minutes. So I just covered this and allow it to cook. We came to check, and tada, it was ready, guys. You should try this. So we are going to change over because I didn't go downstairs today. I'm using my room, so we just changed and use this pot. I added some butter. Like, this is Christmas, okay? Everything is buttering. So I added this butter, stirred everything, and I'll be adding some chopped garlic to this. We are going to fry this garlic for like 1 minute, and just to bring the flavor out, and that's exactly what I'm doing. And next thing, we are going to add all this chopped onion. Yes, a lot of onion, and we are going to fry this till it's transparent, like 3 minutes. Yep. So that's exactly what I'm doing. And guys, at this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos if you haven't already. Thank you so much. So this has fried, and then we will add some tomato sauce or tomato paste, depending on what you have. Okay, just use what you have. Next, I'm adding all this diced carrots and some bell pepper. Yeah, a lot of diced carrot. That's going to bring like a different taste to this meal. It's not just going to be like tomato. So I added some flour. The purpose of this flour is to thicken stew or sauce, just so that in case the water is too much, it will help the sauce to thicken up. So we are trying to cook the flour for it to be well cooked before. And another transfer, pam. So this is our chicken looking all good, and we are going to transfer all this yumminess into it. Guys, you definitely want to try this Christmas for you and your family, and trust me, everybody is going to appreciate you. Okay, take it from me, So we are going to cover this and allow it to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens up to your preference. So we came to check, and it's coming together, but we are not done. So I'm going to add like lemon juice into it, so that like it's going to enhance the taste, bring everything together, take out any freshness from the chicken and all that. And we added some parsley. Guys, take me away, this sauce is like a banger, okay, trust me. And if you think you're done, no, we added butter to bring everything together. Thank you so much for watching, and try this and let me know in the comment section what you think, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.